The main tangible result from Jakamo implementation has been the fact that we have had not serious shortages after Jakamo implementation. My name is Matias Tolström and I'm a sourcing manager at Mitsubishi Logisnext Europe Oy, which designs and manufactures forklifts here in Järvenpää, Finland. Jakamo has provided us a supplier collaboration platform which allows us to share forecast, purchase orders and claims with our suppliers. At the beginning of this year, we had a problem that our original supplier portal had come to an end of its life cycle. It was not working anymore properly, there were all kinds of bugs, and it did not anymore serve the needs we had. So at this point, Jakamo stepped in and provided us a holistic solution for supplier collaboration. Jakamo takes responsibility that everything is working properly and we have the features we need in our daily operations with our suppliers. Especially the forecasting feature has been extremely valuable for us now that there has been many challenges in the supply chain. The forecasting feature allows us to share forecasts with our suppliers on a daily basis in an automated and easy way. We order from our suppliers with short lead times, sometimes even within a matter of a few days, but our suppliers have to start preparing even a year in advance by placing orders to their suppliers to have the raw materials. In addition, they have to allocate capacity from their production in order to deliver the goods as we have requested them. Jakamo has been very well received by our supplier field and we have been satisfied how many of our suppliers were willing to implement this solution.